welcome. My name is Jocelyn and today I thought I would give you a quick little update in my sample project pan. I filmed the last update like 4 months ago, so I had some of these things just lying around and I thought, hey, I've gotten some new samples in, so let's go ahead and officially wrap up the ones that I was supposed to use last time and introduce some new samples that I'm going to use in the next month or so. I don't have a lot of great things to say about the samples that I used up, so let's blow through those real fast. The first is a shampoo and conditioner by Verb. This is their hydrating shampoo and hydrating conditioner. I didn't really love this that much. I don't think that I'd spend the money on it. It was fine, just nothing special. And I'm also well, today I've straightened and curled my hair with a flat iron, but I usually wear it naturally curly, and this just didn't do much for my natural curls anyways, so not the best experience, but it was also just kind of fine. This next item was really not good. I couldn't even use it because I think maybe they were expired. I didn't think that I got these samples that long ago, but I opened them up and what I saw was gross. So it's these right here. These are the Perricone Perricone MD No Makeup Foundation Broad Spectrum SPF. So there's a bunch of like little foil ones, foil packet kind of situations on both sides, and my original thought was that I would open a few up, mix them together, and be able to get at least one full face use. However, when I opened them up, what I found was this oily, gross mess. I mean, it looks okay now, but I even like tried to get some on my finger and see how it was, but it was just, I did not want to put it on my face at all. It just seemed not good. Maybe that's the way that this foundation is, but it looked aged and not something that I wanted to play around with on my face, so I didn't end up using this. I tried to, but it no. Next, I used up another one of the Milk Hydro Grip primers. These are fine. It has alcohol in it, so I'll probably never buy a full size of it, but I don't hate this as a primer. And then the other item I used up was the Saturday Skin Rub-a-Dub Refining Peel Gel. I actually liked this quite a bit. I have used some Saturday Skin items in the past that I haven't been that fond of, but I did enjoy this. I would definitely be interested in giving this a try. I do have a Good Molecules kind of, it's more of like a physical exfoliant kind of situation. This is more of, I think, kind of a chemical exfoliant, but I don't think that this was outrageously expensive. I think it might have been like $19.99 or something like that on Sephora.com. So I might pick this up at some point because I always like to use kind of a refining mask to make sure I get off all of the texture and any dry patches I might have. So this is okay. I didn't mind this. I would definitely consider purchasing a full size of this. And then the last item I think is something I'm gonna just roll out. I've used this so many times and it feels like I haven't gotten anywhere on it. It is a little sample of a powder. This is the Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder. I've used this so many times and I mean, it looks like it might be halfway, not even halfway used up, and it's fine. I have so many other powders that I like more, not so many, but I have a lot of other powders that I like more than this one, that I kind of groan whenever I would reach for this one over one of my full-size products. So maybe I'll see if one of my friends wants to use this. I just don't. It was fine. I don't think I'd purchase a full size of it. I think I've got other ones that I like more. I don't want to have it in my life anymore. I don't like using it. Okay, so those are the 5 items that we are wrapping up, and I have 5 new items. Some of these are thanks to Heather. She sent me a package with some stuff and she had a bunch of samples in there, which was kind of exciting for me because I was running low on samples. So some of these are from that package of hers. The first is a Smashbox primer. This is the Photo Finish Oil and Shine Control Primer. I've used a Smashbox primer before and I liked it. I don't remember if it was this one. I know they have a ton of primers in their line, so if it is that one, great. If not, also great. I'll get to try a new one. So either way, I'm pretty excited. Next, I have, let's see, I have this right here. This is the Ilia Liquid Light Serum Highlighter in the shade Nova, which is the lightest shade. I think they have a total of 3 shades in this line. So I'm hoping it works for me. I just looked it up on Sephora.com and it's supposed to be a soft gold color. Well, I guess it's not lightest because they have a soft gold, which is this one, a rose gold, and then a pink pearl. I feel like the pink pearl actually, which is the shade Atomic, might have been a little bit better for me, but we'll give this a try. Maybe I'll try and mix it with a foundation and see how it works, or use it as a highlighter. I don't know. We'll give it a try. And then let's see, we'll talk about this next. So I have 2 of these. We're gonna combine them into one. It is the Charlotte Tilbury Charlotte's Magic Cream Instant Turnaround Moisturizer. It's just kind of this little pouch in here. I feel like I've heard good things about this, so I'm excited to give it a try. Again, I have 2 of them, so I thought I'd just kind of combine them into one and use it all the way up and see how I feel about it. Next is a product by, what is this, Sky2? I'm not really sure how to pronounce this brand. It is their Genoptics Aura Essence. So it is an essence. I don't use a lot of essences in my skincare regimen, so I thought I would give this little guy a try. I'm not sure if SK2, I'm just gonna call it that because I don't know what it's actually called. I'm not sure if they're cruelty free or not, but I have the sample, so I'm gonna give it a try. And then finally is a Biossance product. I actually really like Biossance as a brand, and I've tried quite a few of their products and really like them. This is their Squalene and Peptide Eye Gel. Reduces puffiness and dark circles. I am almost out of my Good Molecules eye gel, so this came at just the right time. I'm pretty excited to get the use out of this. It doesn't feel like there's too much in here, but usually eye gels, eye creams in these packets go a long ways, so it might take me a little while, hopefully enough that I can get a feel for how I feel about it. All right, so these are all of the sample products that I will be using over the course of the next month. Some of them I think will take longer to get it used up than others, but hopefully not too long. Hopefully I can give you an update within the next month or so. And there is my quick little sample project pan update. I hope that you enjoyed. I've got other project pans on my channel, so if you would like to check those out, go check out my channel. If you like project pan videos, consider giving this one a thumbs up and subscribing if you don't want to miss future content from me. All of those buttons are right down below. And I think that is everything I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.